Okay.
Here's Terry.
Even beautiful.
This 2003 Toyota Matrix driver's side door.
When you take off the door, you gotta take off this. You gotta take off this latch here. And then you gotta remove this. Remove these two bolts. You remove this panel. And yeah. Next segment, then put in bones.
Hey.
I'm happy they didn't do any BMW.
What's
No
the
car is
line?
a shit box.
What's the line?
No car is a shit box. Unless you can explain why it's a shit box. Like if you know why the car is a shit box, then you can explain why, but no car is a shit box. Oh yeah. Next segment, we're gonna take this off. Screw if I didn't get that in. Come off, huh? Come off. It was funny, one time I just like that. Try that, there, like that. That one. It's probably gonna have to come off. Want to break that? You want to break that? So we put that right there like that. Boom. Back in here. All right. Then take that off. It's coming off like that. Then.
What do you got there?
Some electrical. Electrical, eh? You can't do that.
Yeah. Hold it. Oh, it's like off. Plug. Is it? Yeah.
There you are.
Yeah.
Make sure we don't fuck it up. Okay, good. That goes over here. That's not clean. I wonder where. Well, we'll just keep that. No, we can't.
But he is.
Exactly. What? That's the way it is. Gotta come off. Bolts. That upholstery has to come off. The electrical has to come off. Yeah, that's how it is. And then we'll see in the next segment. This is coming off. Oh, sorry. This is coming off here. All these wires coming off from here. So now we're gonna take it off the door. Bye. loose. So goes out there, and there you have it. That just came out. That was a fight.
Yeah.
Let's remove that. Remove that. We're gonna remove the door now.
Without intention.
Listen, I just put this back on. Boom. I caught these bolts. I fed this in through here. Boom, boom, boom. And now that's it, man. Putting that on. And that's it, boy. Yeah, there it is. Go in the mirror, watch this. Put that through here. It's easy. Anybody can do that. And just watch the wire and watch this dowel and all that stuff. All right, bye.
Right here, 9 years. 90. You get 90. Where it's irreversible.
Let's go inside here.
You know, the dinosaurs are actually survived for whatever, how many more
Just hear the clicks.
What's 140 million divided?
Go ahead. All right, go ahead. Okay, that clicked. Let's see that nice little magic click.
You want to keep recording it?
Yeah, oh yeah. Let's back in. Then you can run that, and then yeah, we're good. Everything's been connected on like that. Boom, one here. I pull that back with some tie straps if it breaks. Not a big deal. Bam, bam. That's in. That's in. That's in. I put everything.
A job, $500 into this drill, man.
Give me a second. So this is back on, whatever. I put this back there just to prevent any shaking and stuff like that. Move that back on here. And now we're gonna put this back on.
Just step to the side, step to the right? Or here?
Yeah, whatever. Just use whatever. I have that judgment on it. And then put that on perfectly. So that's on. Done. We're gonna put these tabs inside.